How many people are really aware of the fact that the things that they see, that they suppose exist around them, the colors, the tastes, the sounds, the textures, the feelings, that these are not things that are happening on the outside of them. They are literally electrochemical processes happening inside the brain. And the nature of this sentience is such that the illusion presented makes us believe that there are actually things happening on the outside of us, when in reality it's all happening inside of us, inside our brains. There were these four forces that were being studied in science: the force of gravity, the force of electromagnetism, the subatomic weak force, and the subatomic strong force. And these scientists, by and large, weren't talking to each other. They had their own mathematics and their own laws. Well, one of the things that was so significant about what Einstein did was he unified electromagnetism and gravity, creating rules that worked for both, and kind of fostering the ideal that, hey, maybe there's one rule that works for all four. So the question became, why don't planets act like atoms? How come they don't adhere to each other's rules? And why do galaxies, which are made out of planets, behave differently than planets? And why does the universe at large, that is made out of galaxies and planets and stars and atoms, seem to violate the rules of the very stuff it's made out of? And because we're so connected and so beholden to our perception to explain what's happening in the world, that we must come to the inescapable conclusion that there's no such thing as true objectivity. So the virgin birth, the three kings, the 12 disciples, the miracles, the death, burial, and resurrection story precedes Christianity by as much as 15,000 years. What do we do with that? What does modern Christianity do with that? So then, where did we come from? What are we doing here? Where are we going? These are the questions that this model attempts to answer. Beside the esoteric information revealed by the Mayan calendar for 2012, the Mayans had extremely accurate scientific data about what was happening in the center of our galaxy thousands of years ago. Where did they get this information?